Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by deciding exactly what concepts you need and which fields to search. Start entering one concept at a time and immediately think of synonyms and abbreviations. Use or to group related terms so you capture variants. For example, diabetes or hyperglycemia. Put multi-word phrases in quotes to keep words together. Also decide exclusions upfront and mark them with not. Once done, keep a short list of field tags like TIAB or MESH so you can target titles, abstracts, or me.sh as needed. Now construct combined queries by nesting your or groups inside parentheses and linking different concepts with and. For example, diabetes or hyperglycemia and metformin or biguanide and pregnancy. Parentheses force the order so or group stay intact. Apply field tags like TIAB to limit to title/abstract or MESH for controlled vocabulary. This increases precision. Make sure quotation marks and parentheses are balanced. If you need a date range or study type, add filters after. Run the search and scan the first 20 results to verify coverage and noise. If too many irrelevant hits, tighten by adding field tags, replacing or terms with more specific synonyms, or adding and conditions. If you miss articles, broaden by removing a restrictive tag or adding common abbreviations. Make sure your parentheses and quotes are balanced. Unmatched punctuation breaks logic. If something still fails, isolate parts of the query and run them separately to find which segment needs fixing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.